Hello students, this is the third video of chapter number 13, that is amines. In second video we discussed the different methods of preparation of amines. In this video we are going to start the physical properties of amines. First one is intermolecular forces of attraction and the boiling points. Intermolecular forces means the force which is present in between the two molecules. The NH bond in amines is polar, and this polarity is because the electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.0 and that of hydrogen 2.1 are different. That means due to difference in electronegativity, the NH bond in amines is polar. Due to polar nature of NH bond, the primary and secondary amines have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding is of greater extent in primary amines than in secondary amines because primary amines have two hydrogen atoms bonded to nitrogen for hydrogen bond formation. आता intermolecular hydrogen bonding is greater extent in primary amines. Why? Because there is presence of two hydrogen atoms bonded to nitrogen for hydrogen bond formation in primary amines, but in case of secondary amines only one hydrogen atom bonded to the nitrogen of secondary amines for hydrogen bond formation. But in case of tertiary amines which do not have intermolecular hydrogen bonding, as there is no hydrogen atom on nitrogen of tertiary amines. But due to polar NC means nitrogen carbon bonds, tertiary amines are polar molecules and have intermolecular dipole-dipole attractive forces. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines is here RNH2 means primary amines, again RNH2, hydrogen which has partial positive charge and nitrogen with partial negative charge and forms the hydrogen bond in between them. Thus, intermolecular forces of attraction are strongest in primary amines and weakest in tertiary amines. Based on the extent of intermolecular forces, the observed order of boiling points of isomeric amines is: primary amines have higher boiling points than secondary amines, and secondary amines have higher boiling point than the tertiary amines. Why primary amines have higher boiling points? Because the intermolecular forces of attraction are strongest in primary amines. More energy will be required to break this bond and hence primary amines have higher boiling points. Physical state. The lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy odor, middle members are liquids, and higher members are solids under ordinary temperature and pressure. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless liquids but get colored as they are easily oxidized by air. Solubility. Due to their ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. लोअर ॲलिफॅटिक अमाइन जे आहेत म्हणजे सुरुवातीचे अमाइन्स, these are soluble in water. Why? Because they have the ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Solubility of amines decreases with increase in molar mass of amines due to increase in size of hydrophobic alkyl group. As there is increase in molar mass means there is increase in alkyl group, and this alkyl group, it is the hydrophobic part. Hydrophobic means which have phobia towards water, hence which has increased the molar mass and hence decrease in solubility. Aromatic amines and higher aliphatic amines are insoluble in water. Since NH bond in amines are less polar than OH bond in alcohols, water solubilities of alcohols, amines and alkanes of comparable molar mass in water in decreasing order. That is, first one is alcohol, then amines and then alkanes. Here is the hydrogen bonding between amine and water molecule. Water molecule, that is HOH. Here oxygen with lone pair of electron and partial negative charge. RNH2, that is primary amine with hydrogen has partial positive charge, and hence there is the formation of hydrogen bonding. Here is the question that give the order of boiling points of alkanes, amines, alcohols and carboxylic acids of comparable molar mass. The order of boiling points of alkanes, amines, alcohols and carboxylic acids of comparable molar mass is as follows, in which first one is alkane, then amines have higher boiling point than alkanes, alcohols have higher boiling point than amines, and carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than alcohols. Means alkanes have less boiling point and carboxylic acids have higher boiling point. Here is the table which shows the boiling points of alkane, alcohol and amines of similar molar mass. Here serial number, then compounds molar mass which is about nearly same, and then boiling points in Kelvin. Here serial number 4 which contains carboxylic acid have boiling point 414.4 Kelvin, which is highest in among the all compounds. Again serial number 5 which is alcohol has less boiling point than carboxylic acid. Then serial number 6, that is amine, again has lower boiling point, and alkanes at number 7 which has boiling point about 300.8 Kelvin, and it is less as compared to amines, alcohols and carboxylic acids. Basicity of amines. Explain the basic nature of amines with suitable example. The basic nature of amines is due to presence of a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. According to Lewis theory, in terms of Lewis theory, amines are the bases because they can share a lone pair of electrons of nitrogen atom with an electron deficient species. Electron deficient species means ज्यांच्याकडे इलेक्ट्रॉनची कमतरता आहे अशा स्पेसीज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ट्रायमिथिल अमाइन शेअर्स इट्स लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स with electron deficient boron trifluoride. Here Me3N means a trimethyl amine with nitrogen has lone pair of electron, shares this lone pair of electron with electron deficient boron trifluoride and hence forms the bond. According to Lorry-Bronsted theory, the basic nature of amines is explained by writing the following equilibrium. Here is the equilibrium, and here amines with nitrogen has lone pair of electron plus H2O. Then there is the formation of conjugate acid plus OH minus. In this equilibrium, amine accepts H plus. Hence, amine is a Lorry-Bronsted base. For stronger base, equilibrium shifts towards right. Thereby, for stronger bases, the Kb value is larger or pKb value is smaller. म्हणजे बेस स्ट्रॉंगर आहे कशावरून ओळखायचं? इफ KB व्हॅल्यू इज लार्जर अँड PKB व्हॅल्यू इज स्मॉलर. Here is the table which shows the PKB values of some amines in aqueous medium. Amines, that is primary amines, primary alkanamines, secondary alkanamines, tertiary alkanamines, then ammonia and aryl amines. In case of aryl amines, the PKB value is very larger. Then ammonia, that is 4.75, which is larger than primary and secondary amines. Then RNH2 means primary alkanamines has the PKB value less than NH3. Again R2NH means secondary alkanamines again has less PKB value than the primary amines, and this R2NH means secondary amines again has smaller PKB value than the tertiary amines. From this table we can explain the basic strength of aliphatic amines. The trend in observed PKB values and basic strength of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. And ammonia, the order of PKB value is, that is NH3 has higher PKB value, then RNH2 means primary amines has higher PKB value, then R2NH means secondary amines, but these secondary amines again have smaller PKB value than R3N means tertiary amines. The order of basic strength is therefore, first one is NH3 has less basic strength than primary amines. Again primary amines have less basic strength than secondary amines, but again secondary amines have higher basic strength than tertiary amines. As per the observed PKB values of the aliphatic amines, secondary amines are the strongest bases. Basic strength increases as we move from NH3 to RNH2, and from RNH2 means primary amines to the secondary amines, but basic strength decreases as we move from R2NH to R3N. The basic strength and corresponding PKB values depends upon the position of the equilibrium. Means here, greater the stabilization of conjugate acid, more on the right side the equilibrium will lie, and stronger will be the base and smaller will be its PKB value. Greater the stabilization of the protonated amine, that is the conjugate acid, greater is the basicity of the amine. Here are the factors which are responsible for irregularity in trend of basicity of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. First one is the influence of plus I effect. Plus I effect, that is for example of alkyl groups, that means which exerts electron releasing inductive effect, that is plus I effect. The influence of plus I effect on stabilization of conjugate acids of aliphatic amines and ammonia can be represented as NH4 plus means nitrogen which is attached to 4 hydrogen atoms, then RNH3 with 1 alkyl group and 3 hydrogen atoms, R2NH2, here 2 alkyl groups and 2 hydrogen atoms bonded with N plus. In R3NH, 3 alkyl group and 1 hydrogen attached to N plus. The basicity of amines is related to the structural effects which influence stabilization of various species. Greater the stabilization of protonated amine, that is the conjugate acid, greater is the basicity of amine. An alkyl group exerts electron releasing inductive effect, means plus I effect, which stabilizes positive charge on atom bonded to it. As we move from conjugate acid to ammonia, that is NH4 plus, to that of tertiary amine, means R3NH plus, the number of alkyl groups bonded to nitrogen goes on increasing steadily. This results in increasing stabilization of conjugate acid, and thereby an increasing order of basic strength is expected. The order of stabilization is first NH4 plus, which has less stabilization than RNH3 plus. This again has less stabilization than R2NH2 plus, and this again have less stabilization than R3NH. But the expected order of basic strength is NH3, means ammonia, less than RNH2, again less than R2NH, and R2NH is less than R3N. The expected order of basic strength on the basis of plus I effect differs from the observed order. This is explained on the basis of increased stabilization of conjugate acid by plus I effect of increased number of alkyl groups. The decreased basic strength of tertiary amine implies that the conjugate acid of tertiary amine is less stabilized, even though plus I effect of 3 alkyl groups in R3NH is expected to be large. Next one is the influence of solvation by water. Influence of solvation by water on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amines and ammonia can be represented as follows. Here is the NH4 plus, then RNH3 plus, R2NH2 plus, and R3NH plus. The solvent water stabilizes the conjugate acid by hydrogen bonding through the hydrogen bonded to N plus. The number of hydrogen atoms bonded to the N plus decreases from 4 in NH4 plus to 1 in R3NH plus. Thus, basic strength of tertiary amines is decreased. Third one is combined influence of plus I effect and solvation. The combined influence of both plus I effect and solvation on stabilization if conjugate acids of aliphatic amines decides the observed basic strength and pKb value. These two influencing factors operate in opposite direction. Here the solvation, it increases from R3NH to R2NH2, then towards RNH3 and towards NH4 plus, but it is opposite in case of plus I effect. The net result is that as we move from NH3 to RNH2 to R2NH, the basic strength increases due to better stabilization of corresponding conjugate acids. But tertiary amine is weaker base than secondary amine because the stabilization of conjugate acid of tertiary amine by solvation is very poor. Here is the question, that is, write a note on basicity of aryl amines. Aryl amines are in general weaker bases than ammonia and aliphatic amines. Strength of aryl amines is explained in accordance with Lorry-Bronsted theory by writing the equilibrium equation for aniline. Here is the conjugate acid of aniline. Here both the species, base and conjugate acid, are resonance stabilized but to the different extent. In aryl amines, the NH2 group is attached directly to an aromatic ring. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is conjugated to the aromatic ring and is less available for protonation. Aniline is resonance stabilized by following 5 resonance structure. Here aniline with nitrogen has lone pair of electron which throws the electron towards the ring and hence the double bond breaks and it settles at the para position and hence there is the 5 resonance structures of aniline. On the other hand, anilinium ion obtained by accepting a proton does not have lone pair of electron on nitrogen. Hence, it can be stabilized by only 2 resonance structure and therefore it is less stabilized than aniline. As a result, the equilibrium is shifted towards the left side. This makes aniline weaker bases than the aliphatic amines and ammonia.